What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Richgirlred, and I'm back with another one. So today we are going to be talking about how to become a wig influencer. Preferably we are talking about more about how to become an Amazon wig influencer. I'm gonna make this video real quick, real short, real cute, because y'all know how I get down. But yo, to the intro.
But it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me.
Alright, so I'm going to talk about 5 ways on how to become a wig influencer. So number 1, let's talk about, for one, you don't need a lot of followers to start. I want to put that out there. But number 1 is going to be, you need a good camera. You need some type of good camera or something that you can record on that's really good, whether it's a really good phone, a good camera, something that is going to capture your videos and content in the highest quality possible. I say start off with your iPhone, start off with the phone you have. Don't go out there and spend hundreds of dollars on a expensive ass camera that you on content that you might not even stick to, or you might decide this is not even your niche for real. So number 2, you want to make sure you have great lighting. So even if you don't have a ring light, like today, I'm being lazy, I don't feel like using my lighting and all that, but golden hour was hitting differently on me this great beautiful evening, so I decided to just use the sun. The sun is going to be your best friend when you're a content creator. You want to make sure you use that thing because this is why God gave it to us, okay? Golden hour is the best time you can record videos. I'm gonna be honest, that's when the sun is setting or the sun is coming up. That's gonna be the best time for you to record if you don't have any type of lighting. I'm gonna post my link tree in the description below on where exactly I got my ring light and both my pad lights from. They are very inexpensive, very cheap, and that is all the lighting I use besides the sun. Gonna be completely honest with you, you don't need fancy stuff. As you get better and become a better content creator, of course you can invest in better quality equipment. Number 3, you are going to need a PayPal account. So a lot of these companies pay you through PayPal. They also send the money for your free wig through PayPal. So you want to make sure that you are utilizing PayPal and you make a PayPal business account because that is how you're going to be getting paid. So understand that PayPal is also a little bit finicky about how they give you your money if they send it as a business and not as family and friends. And I will have a separate video to talk about PayPal and how you get paid from there, how you get your money from there, and all that good stuff. Because now I'm starting to see that's actually kind of important. The girlies want to know how they're gonna get paid and if that money gonna hit right then and right there. And I feel like I can make a whole separate video to kind of talk about that and touch on that and not really waste much time in this video because y'all just trying to get the information and go. Y'all ain't trying to hear me ramble about 5 minutes about PayPal. I can make a whole separate video for people who actually want to hear that information. Number 4, you need a business email. 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 Let me say this again. You need a business email. That is the main way how companies are going to reach out to you, how people are going to be able to get in contact with you for any type of business inquiry. You want to make sure you have that business email in your YouTube, plastered everywhere, your YouTube, your TikTok, Lemonade, whatever you are on, Twitter, Instagram, whatever social media you are on, you want to make sure you have that email plastered everywhere and say for business inquiries, here's the email. I've actually had a wig company reach out to me through my email from getting my email off of YouTube seeing my hair content and wanted me to do a wig review, and they sent me the money and everything. So y'all make sure y'all put that email, because it's so important. Y'all are literally missing out on opportunities not having a business email, because you can post all the content you want and just be like, why are these companies not hitting me up? A lot of these Amazon companies, especially, some of them don't even have Instagrams. So they're not gonna reach out to you through Instagram and all this other social media that you have. You need to get a business email, period, point blank. Number 5, so you need to create an Amazon affiliate account. A lot of these companies are going to want to see your past reviews. That has nothing to do with that though. You need to create an Amazon affiliate account, because a lot of these girlies are going to be asking you, well, where did you get this hair from? They're going to be asking you on your content. They're going to be leaving those comments asking, where'd you get your hair from? Where'd you get that wig from? Why is it laid, fried, dyed, and laid to the side like that? Where did you get it from, sis? I need to know. And you're going to send them your Amazon affiliate link so you can get paid again. You're not going to give them the direct link to the hair. Sweetie, you give them the Amazon affiliate link. You get paid and get commission off that hair again, because one, you're promoting the hair. You've already got paid from it once. If the company did decide to give you a commission on top of giving you a free wig, because some companies do that, they'll give you the free wig and they'll give you a commission for doing the review. So if they did do that, if that was the company to do that, you want to make sure that you're getting paid for the second time, for the third time, really. Because you're getting paid with a free wig. You're getting paid, obviously you can't pay bills with that, but you know what I mean. You're getting paid actual commission with real money. If they decide to give you a commission, like I said, starting off, you know, you might not get paid on some of them. Also, if girlies are going through your affiliate link, they can utilize your link to purchase the wig, and you also get a kickback from them purchasing the wig. 2 people win at the same time. That's how you also make extra money off that wig. So I suggest that if you are gonna give the link out to the wig and you are gonna post it on different other platforms or whatever like that, to promote that wig through your affiliate link so you can be getting extra money, period, point blank. All right, y'all, that was 5 ways on how you can start being a influencer today. I mean, you can literally start with everything that I said today. Like, I literally just started doing it and I've been going up, and we're continuing to going up. I don't care if I have 1 subscriber. Excuse me. Ooh. I don't care if I have 1 subscriber, 100 subscribers, or 100,000 subscribers. I'm gonna love all my subscribers the same, and I'm gonna talk to all my subscribers like I'm talking to 100 of y'all. I don't care whether I'm talking to 100 of y'all or 1,000 of y'all. I'm gonna talk to 1 subscriber like I'm talking to 1,000,000. Like, I'm gonna talk to my 100 subscribers like I'm talking to 1,000,000 subscribers. Y'all, thank y'all so much for getting me to 59 subscribers. I love y'all so much. Let's go ahead and shoot for 100 subscribers by the end of this month. I really love y'all. I love how y'all support me. Thank y'all for all the increase in subscribers. Thank y'all for all the increase in views. Thank y'all for getting my first YouTube video to over 14,000 views. I really love y'all for that. I appreciate y'all for that. Any view, any like, any share that I get, I really appreciate it. And I appreciate everybody that supports me and really takes the time out to just watch my videos and show me love. All right, that is it for this video. I love y'all so very much. I will see y'all in the next one. If y'all see me in another video wearing the same thing, sitting in the same place, I promise y'all it's the same day. Like, don't trip on me, okay? I love y'all. It's Richgirlred, and I will see y'all in the next one.